Welcome back to Labs Out Loud.
I'm Shan.
And I'm Shad.
And today we will be going in the street
To find out who the public thinks a medical technologist is. So stay tuned,
Please remember to like,
share,
comment,
and subscribe.
Hello, we're medical technologists. Who do you think a medical technologist is?
I don't really know.
You don't really know. Alright, so when you go to the doctor's office and you leave a sample, where do you think the sample go? Who do you think processes the sample?
I don't know.
Okay, who is a medical technologist?
If it's not a doctor, it's some engineer.
Some engineer or a doctor.
Or a doctor.
Alright, have you ever done a blood test?
Yeah, man, more than one time.
What if I told you that the medical technologist is the person who actually tests the blood sample?
Okay, that you have to have that idea about how to take the blood.
Yes.
But, you know, and you have to take it and check the doctor. After you go to the lab, then
The doctor get the result.
And then process and you get it right.
Yeah, but we are the ones who actually do the testing
Okay,
and give the doctor the report.
And the doctor report. So when I give the blood to the lab, you get the blood from me.
And we go upstairs
Okay,
or wherever and process it
After you done processing,
find out what's wrong and type up the results and send it to the doctor. So we are in between you and the doctor.
Okay, so generally that you have an idea about the blood.
We're back. Do you know who a medical technologist is?
No.
No idea at all.
No.
You don't want to try?
A nurse.
A nurse. You don't want to try?
A nurse.
A nurse.
Fine.
Do you know who is a medical technologist?
A medical technologist is a person who studies and tests bloods and urines and feces and all them nasty in there.
Okay, so he's actually knowledgeable. How do you know who is a medtech?
Because I'm married to a medtech.
Okay, that explains it, guys. So
Take your blood or the nurse or whatever.
the
And
doctors get
I
all
think
the
of them
credit.
go to the place and do the thing until you're getting old and old and you realize that no, there are places that call labs. Yeah. So because of that now I realize that there are persons who test those things otherwise than
From
the doctor.
doctors.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you.
That's
Hello
the
again, guys. So, do you know who a medical technologist is?
No.
You have any idea you want to guess?
No, I would like to guess a bit. I like the answer.
Okay. A blood test before?
Yeah, I do a blood test for HIV.
Exactly.
But anyway, still, I'm actually a boxer. Every time I do a contest, I have to do that.
Okay. A medical technologist.
Well, technologists, it sound medical and it sound studying about medical for the future, futuristic medical. Because it's better, you see me I say?
Have you ever done a blood test?
Yeah.
What if I time? We are the ones who actually do the testing on those blood samples that you drop off at the lab. So we are in the lab and we test all your samples. If you ever pee in a cup, all of that, we are the ones, medical technology. So we work in the lab and then we are the ones who actually give your doctor the results.
People may take the blood or the
Phlebotomist.
medical technologists.
Yes, and phlebotomist.
And phlebotomist.
Yes.
One
So
time
then,
I'm sure that
no, you just stick to the medical technologist. Alright, thank you.
yeah man, respect, you know.
Who do you think a medical technologist
Medical technologist to
is? Yeah,
me.
based on the name.
Medical, well, I break down the meaning of the word medical technologist. Basically, you are in the field of you do some form of medical work, but you use technology to amplify what you do.
That's good. And then report it to the doctor.
So who gets paid more?
The doctor.
Well, no. I didn't mention the doctor. Like you are the phlebotomist.
Well, I guess it depends, because you know you have private and public.
How old is the field in Jamaica?
Very old from
Feel like
back
I'm here
then.
interview she, you know.
Do you know what medical technologist is?
No, I know.
Any idea you want to guess?
After to you,
Okay. So have you ever done a blood test before?
yes.
Okay, so medical technologists are the persons who test the samples.
Wow!
Very alarming, right, Shad?
Yes! I think only one person got it right.
Wow.
Guys, you have to stay tuned to our upcoming videos to find out the real deal on who a medtech is.
And how crucial we are in your lives.
We're down on life already
A
now.
long, long time.
Una just never know.
All right.